AI is making money right now, not in the future, not in theory. Right now, while millions of people scroll their phones, while others complain online, while some say AI ruined everything. Here's the shocking part. AI did not take anyone's money. It did not steal jobs. It did not block opportunities. But the truth behind this will shock you. Across Asia, the US, the UK, and the Middle East, AI systems are working non-stop. They write, they design, they edit, they sell, and humans are watching. In this video, I will show you 3 uncomfortable truths. First, how AI tools are already creating income for ordinary people. Second, why are most humans stuck, even with free access to AI? And third, the biggest lie people tell themselves about effort and talent. This is not motivation. This is not hype. This is a reality check. Because the real problem is not AI power. It is human delay. And once you see this clearly, you cannot unsee it. Let me show you exactly how this happened. Setup and context. A few years ago, AI felt distant. It felt like science fiction, something big companies control. Now it lives in your phone, your browser, your daily routine. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means machines that learn patterns. They analyze data. They make decisions faster than humans. Today, AI systems write emails, they create videos, they design logos, they manage ads. AI tools are no longer rare, they are everywhere. According to reports, global AI adoption is growing every year. Students use it, freelancers use it, businesses use it. So why does it feel like only a few people are winning? Here is the first surprise. Most AI tools are cheap or free. Second surprise. Most skills needed to use AI can be learned online for free. Third surprise. Many people who earn with AI are not programmers. They are writers, editors, designers, marketers, even beginners. So what changed? The answer is timing and mindset. In the past, work rewarded effort. Now, work rewards speed and leverage. AI gives leverage. It multiplies output. One person with AI can do the work of 5, sometimes 10. But here is where things get really interesting. First major revelation. The first big revelation is simple. AI does not replace humans. It replaces slow processes. Imagine 2 people. Both have the same laptop, same internet, same AI tools. Person 1 uses AI to write faster, edit faster, deliver faster. Person 2 watches videos about AI, saves posts, plans to start someday. After 1 month, the difference is huge. One has output, the other has excuses. This is happening everywhere. In Asia, creators use AI to produce content daily. In the US, freelancers use AI tools to handle more clients. In the UK, small teams compete with big companies. The numbers are not magic. They are simple. If AI saves you 2 hours a day, that is 60 hours a month. That is extra projects, extra skills, extra income. But most people do not use save time wisely. They scroll more. They wait. They hesitate. AI-powered income does not come from genius. It comes from repetition. Use tool. Deliver work. Improve prompt. Repeat. But if you think that's crazy, wait until you hear this. Second major revelation. The second revelation is harder to accept. The biggest block is not lack of skill, it is emotional resistance. Many people secretly believe this. If I try and fail, I will look stupid. So, they do nothing. AI exposes this fear. Because AI removes excuses. You no longer need years of training. You no longer need perfect English. You no longer need expensive tools. So what's left? Action. This is why many people attack AI online. They say it is dangerous. They say it destroys jobs. Some concerns are real, but many are emotional shields. Experts suggest job evolution is happening, not job death. Roles change, tasks shift,
value moves. Insiders already know this. Companies reward people who adapt early, not those who complain loudly. The public sees AI as threat. The insiders see AI as leverage. This brings us to the most shocking discovery of all. Climax revelation. Here is the truth few say out loud. AI did not make people poor. It revealed who stopped growing. AI models learn fast. Humans must learn faster. But many humans stopped learning years ago. They repeat the same habits, same routines, same excuses. AI does not sleep. AI does not doubt itself. AI executes instantly. Humans overthink. This is the system level shift. The AI driven economy rewards speed, clarity, and output. Not degrees, not titles, not intentions. Human AI collaboration is the future, but only for those who show up. If you do nothing, AI feels threatening. If you act, AI feels empowering. So, what does all this mean for us today?
Implications and analysis. This matters now because delay is expensive. Every month you wait, someone else learns faster. Short-term impact is clear. Those who act build skills. Those who wait lose confidence. Long-term impact is bigger. AI will not slow down. Opportunities will not wait. The future of work favors flexible minds. Simple actions matter. Learn one AI tool. Apply it daily. Solve one real problem. You do not need perfection. You need consistency. The opportunity shift is already here. Before we wrap up, there's one final thing you need to know. Final reveal and conclusion. The final truth is uncomfortable. AI does not care about your background, your country, your past failures. It responds to input. That's it. The moment you stop watching and start using, everything changes. The people winning are not special. They just started earlier. This video is not a warning. It is an invitation. If this opened your eyes. Outro and call to action. Here's the recap. AI is making money. Humans are watching. The gap is action. AI rewards speed. Humans delay. The future belongs to those who collaborate with intelligent systems. If this video helped you think differently, subscribe for honest AI content. Like the video if it challenged you. So tell me this. Are you watching AI Dominion videos? Or are you ready to move?